What is up, guys? I am back with update trade recap. Yo, there's our trade recap. So look at this and look at this. Okay, so when I change to like the other trading view, yo, bah! Oh, it's so bright. All right, so yesterday I took a trade. Yo, guys, actually, this is a very nice song. It's from Dispatch, the game, but I haven't like played the game. I've just seen reels of it. But it's a nice song, dude. Come on. It's like, yo. Alright, now man. Oh shit, my bad. On the ES, we took a trade on ES yesterday. I'm up for $35. And honestly, bro, like every time I'm making 500 or less than $500 in a day, I'm like, yo, that's not enough. I should be making 1K or like, at least 700 or $800. But then, bro, even $400 a day is a lot. It's a lot. So this was like yesterday's trade. This was long back. I think I did, yeah, I did a trade recap on this. Then these two are the same trade, but hey, I improved. I took two contracts with two take profits, which both of them were hit. I'm on this side. Get you. Right. So these two take profits were hit. Then trading journal. Um, yo, pause. Pause. All right, pause. All right. Yeah. So yeah, as you can see, bro. But last these trades, my entry was so shit. It's not trading views fault. It's my fault because when I'm executing trade, I put a limit stop order, and that's don't do that. Just fucking buy market, bro. And then you see, I'll tell you. Um, when anyways, like these were the profits I made. I could have made more, but hey, I'm not greedy. I accept this. I accept the win. But hey, you see how I improved from this trade? Because I knew that for the day I can take $1,000 loss. With that in mind, I took two positions, two contracts, and still being in my risk management strategy and having two take profits. Even though the take profits were like really close, that's why there's not much difference here. But hey, bro, I'm learning. You see how I'm progressing? That's fucking fire, bro. Proud of myself. Anyways, let's get back to the charts. Holy shit. Alright, 1 hour. We are. So, first, I have to mark some liquidity areas so that I know where the sweep happened. And okay, I'm gonna run this like from scratch because I literally don't know why I entered a trade or okay now um this right here. All right, so this trade was based off, based off of the 5 minute, no, not the 5 minute, pre-market liquidity sweep. Okay, pre-market liquidity sweep, which means that before the New York Stock Exchange opened, the liquidity sweep had already, happened, which I can see here. The London swept out these highs. Technically, 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 it should be this which was swept. This was like low probability. But wait, let me show you something. On the NQ, NQ was like a nice trade, but I did not trade on the NQ because I am not sure why. So this whole, okay, yeah, you see on the NQ it was a clear sweep. See this? I'll go over the NQ, probably seeing like, oh yeah, why I didn't go over the NQ. Okay, never mind. I'll tell you why. I'll tell you why. So on the ES, this, because you see high then low, so this was a technical high, but also this, here's some like liquidity, and because no, no, no. But yeah, it was like a okay setup. Like I'd say it was like a B or a C kind of setup. Like definitely not the S setup or A plus setup. This is like Supreme, bro, like Mercedes and stuff. Anyways, uh, why is music not playing? Why is the music not playing? Why is the music not playing? Okay, let's go over this song again. This should be fine for the background music. And then I am gonna library. All right, so this liquidity sweep happened before New York Stock Exchange opened. Then what I was looking for is 5 minute liquidity sweep of the first candle formation after New York Stock Exchange opened. So once this liquidity sweep happened, I dropped down to the 5 minute market open with this candle, and then this candle was swept. All right, candle swept this high, which was created after stock NYSE open, and then what do we need? We need break of structure. Okay, break of structure, inverse fair value gap, or 79%. Fibonacci extension close, which is basically like this to this and this closing below 79%. So what we get is, actually I was not looking for a break of structure because it happened like way here. It actually happened way up, so I was not looking for a break of structure because I'm gonna be honest, rather than saying, oh, break of structure happened and this is based off of which I took the trade. No, I did not take the trade off of break of structure, which should have happened with this candle. You see, that's why doing trade recaps is so beneficial, because actually if you see this was a break of structure, then wait for the price to come to the equilibrium, and price comes to the equilibrium, and then enter one here and then target these lows. Pause. All right, my bad. I'm back. I'm back. I am back. All right. Let's play this down for now. I need you Pause. Alright. So, where was I? Yeah, I'm not sure where I was, but alright, the sweep happened, okay, and then we broke structure to the downside. But as I was saying, I was not looking at that, I was rather looking at this. So technically, it was this candle. It kind of ended at 100%, like way below that. So that means price price wanted to go down, which gave me the confirmation that okay, let's look for shorts today. And on top of that, after this, I didn't actually no, actually I need to. And then I drew this. So if my future self is wondering why I didn't choose like to end the equilibrium box or again box here rather than actually doing it here, is because when prices are forming, you're looking at the highest and the lowest point. Okay, so the highest point was this, obviously, and then this went down, 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 and like when prices are forming to come back to the equilibrium, this low, because here it never touched the equilibrium, here it never touched the equilibrium. So of course, I wouldn't enter the trade to go short here, but then after this candle here, it touched the equilibrium, wicked it, but this was like the low that was formed. So here, I could have kept this either way. It was kind of the same, but just making sure that don't make dumb mistakes. All right. So it came back to the equilibrium, dropped down to the 1 minute. So I'll tell you how I fucked up this trade for not even having a 1-to-1 risk to reward. But listen to me. Hear me out. Hear me out. Hear me out. Okay. Okay. Came back to the equilibrium. Victed. And then, so this is an uptrend. We are looking for a break of structure to the downside. So actually, yeah. I don't think you guys can hear this song, but that's fine. So break of structure happened here. Nope. Then this is our new low. No break of structure. New low. And then what happens? Break of structure with this candle. All right, now what am I doing? Break of structure, 79% extension, whatever that is. But the first thing that happened was break of structure. So we are going short off of this candle. So, and then stop loss 2 pips above this. Yo, chill. 1, 2. All right. So, and then what I was targeting was, oh my god, I don't have my targets here. This was yesterday, right? All right, yeah. So I was targeting these. Actually, these lows and these lows. Wait, I was actually targeting these lows. Okay. No, that's literally not possible. Bro, I'm just so loving this song, dude. It's like I'm fantasizing about my future girl who's not even here in my life right now. That's fucking bad. All right. Yeah, these are like the target TP areas where price could reverse off of. I just took the trade till here. Yep. Yep. So this was a 1:1.22 risk to reward, bro. There was another way. Hold on. Yep. This song is really nice, bro. Anyways, stop loss above there. And so, like I was saying, this is just a full chill up. Alright. So, if I were to take just one, what do you say, one contract, just $400 risk for the day. So, what I did was I took 200. I couldn't have taken, nah, yeah, two. So, one of my take profits was here, and the next one was here. All right. So this was my take profit one, which got hit. Take profit two also got hit. So one is to 1.38. Not bad. Not bad. I I was wondering actually, could I have a better entry point? Like my entry point was worse than this, dude. I'll tell you. I'll tell you. I'm just waiting for, cause I think I saw a break of structure earlier. Not really. Alright, so technically, for a good trade, not even a good trade, bro. Like, this was my plan to actually enter the trade here. Okay, let me pause this. Okay. Like, my plan was actually to enter the trade right here, but an area of improvement when I'm like when prices are moving like this, buy the market order, like just sell. Yeah, exactly. Shift S, sell, market sell, bro. Don't put limit orders. Cause my limit order fucked my risk to reward so bad that I could have won like um and on like a single trade, how much could I have won? Like 487 just with one. Okay, but technically, how much I got? Yo, 400 was the max that I made. Well, if I had actually like gotten like my order would have filled here to sell, I would have at least made 487, and then my next the other contract would have made $550. Are you looking at that? I could have easily made 1K. Yo, but exactly. How much did I make? 700. 737. 700 is not bad for the day, bro. Sheesh. Sheesh. Anyways. Yeah, sorry. Zoning out, bro. I'm so zoning out right now. Um, Yeah, dude, but my order got filled. Like, I after this candle, I had my stop, not even a stop, like a limit order, like somewhere around here. Here, yeah, no, yeah, yeah, 6878.5. Okay, 6878.5. I remember that because when I took this trade, I actually took the trade, set my stop loss, set my take profits, and then I left. Okay, like I made sure I was in the trade before actually leaving, but still, dude, like it could have been so much better. I mean, the price came back here. I could have also entered here, but like this time I wasn't like here like looking at the screen. But after this, bro, like please market sell, bro. Do a market order. Don't do limit orders, especially when you're entering a trade. So I'll show you here. I mean, 5 minutes. It's ES, right? Yeah. How bullshit of an entry I got. Actually, go down to 1 minute. So technically, I should have entered here, right? Right? With my stop loss just like 2 pips. Yeah. Okay. Okay. And then my take profit one was here, which is at 68.68. Wow. 68.68. A little further down. 68.68. Okay, this was my proposed trade that was supposed to happen. But now, where did I get executed on? 68.74. Just cause I did not market sell here. Look at that, bro. My risk to reward it makes it so much worse. 68.74.75. Come on. 68.74.75. Look at that risk to reward. Amazing risk to reward, right? Fucking risking more than I actually get, bro. Look at that. So you see, yeah, exactly. 337.5. That was my first take profit, which got hit. Okay, 1:0.61, just cause I didn't market sell. Market sell is something, not something, bro. Market sell, you should probably know this. Market sell is just like buying or selling at whatever the price is as like bid. If I'm I'm not sure with these, but bid is like what buyers are asking, and ask is what the sellers are selling it for. So market sell, let's say market buy is the ask is 68.78.75. So if I market buy, I'm buying at the ask price. And if I market sell, it's like this, I guess. I'm not sure about the selling part, but I'm definitely sure about the buying part. So if I sell market sell, I'm selling at 68.78.75, something like that. And a limit order is like when you set an order, like see limit order, stop order. Stop order is like basically sell, but limit is like buy. But I just say limit orders because that's like you are, yo, chill. It's just limit orders. My bad. Yo, no, no, no. Oh my god, bro. Holy shit. Yo, did I actually? No, bro. Hell no, hell no, hell no. Yeah, fucking lost. Oh my fucking god. Yo, why did I have to give an example here, bro? I could have done it here. Oh my god. Anyways, it's just $37. So hey, another trade recap. Do not place fucking trades near the ask and bid price, bro. Holy shit. Holy shit. Oh my god. Fuck off. It was $40 just like that. Anyways, that's not the point. I'm here. It's fine, just $40. Anyway, my second take profit was at 68.66.75. 68, 66.75, which is still less than one risk to reward, which is insanely crazy because that was a really bad entry point, bro. Right here, my entry point should have been here. I entered the trade here, but so you see how big of a bitch TradingView is. When I want my fucking order to be filled here, it doesn't, and when I'm like just doing an example, it gets filled. Fucking bitch, bitch ass. So yeah, that was my trade recap. Two trade recaps actually. Like you saw me take a live trade right now and lose $40. Of course, I was not gonna hold that because it was just like a mistake trade. But yeah, that's all for this trade recap. Holy shit, a fucking 25-minute video. Alright, peace out.